Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Dean, faculty members, and my dear parents, and all the students who are graduating this year. I am very happy to be part of your convocation and wish you all the best and success in your life. MVN University is a dream come true for me and my family. My father had a dream that in close to our village after Palwal, we should set up something where students can take quality education, and MVN University is striving for it day and day. We are growing, and it's been a lot of years now, and all the students who are graduating from our university are getting placed in a lot of good businesses. They are having success. They meet me. Somebody is placed in Bangalore, somebody is placed in US. So we feel very proud of you students, the way you go and raise the name of the university, and we feel that your batch will also go forward and get success everywhere and also bring laurels to this university. My only advice to all the students is that you should stay very true to the company you work with, have very strong ethical values, never do anything against the interest of the company, and be very dedicated to the cause of the company in general. Don't just restrict yourself to the particular job that you are given in your job description. Always understand the company as a whole and try to understand more and more things which benefit the company. This is what will raise your position in the company always. Which it is going to bring you promotions, this is going to bring appreciation, this is going to bring a lot of learning, and it will bring a lot of belongingness to the company. All these will matter a lot in your progress, in your growth. MVN University has set up a lot of courses which help a lot of village students, which help by even agriculture is a great help to our community around us, and I am glad that our Vice Chancellor took a great effort in setting up agriculture in this university. And the medical line is getting very popular, and the students want to do a lot of medical courses, and I am glad that MVN University could provide good quality medical courses to them. Lastly, I would like to thank all the faculty members for doing their best and providing very good education to these students. And I would like to thank the parents for doing the effort to put their children in good university like MVN University and helping their children to build their career, because without a degree, without a graduation, without a post-graduation, it is very hard for someone to survive in the world of tomorrow. We are looking at world of 2030, 2040, 2050, which is going to be all about postgraduates. It's going to be about a lot of education. It is going to be about a lot of technical value. And I am happy that the parents put the effort to raise you to this platform, and now you are all independent and you can make decisions of your own. Best of luck, best wishes to all of you. Thank you.